little, pop it right over my head, and make a poncho. Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have something a little different. It's kind of weird because we do like sewing on the channel, but I sewed such a wind when I was picking up a few things, and I thought it would be fun to pick it up. Why not? Let's try something different. So today we have a pop no-sew blanket. Okay, so this is a no-sew donuts blanket. So I've been into donuts lately, as you can tell from the donut jacket. I've been into donuts lately, and when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It wasn't that expensive. It says $34.99 on a package, but it was on sale, so I grabbed it, and here we are now. So let's untie the kit and look at the instructions, and let's get started. Okay, so the instructions are as follows. So the tools and accessories we will need is scissors or a rotary cutter and a mat ruler. So I have my mat ruler here down on the table, so when I focus the camera, you guys can see that it's down here. Tips for project, it says cut both layers of fleece at the same time. So we're going to do that. So to finish the instructions, it says line up the two fleece layers right sides out. Cut around the outside of the colored border. To make fringe, cut 5-inch into border at 1 interval around all sides through both layers of fleece. Knot the fringe pieces together using 1 strand from the top layer and 1 strand from the bottom layer. Repeat all around edges of throw shape. So at the bottom it just says more so of supervision if you're doing this with a child, so we're going to read that off as well. Adult supervision required when cutting fabric, machine wash, normal cold, non-chlorine bleach, and tumble low. Do not iron. Do not iron, you guys. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and bring the camera angle down so you guys can see what I'm doing, and I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so now I'm back. You guys can see what's going on here. So what I'm going to do now is just to lay out this fabric and you see what we have. Okay, yeah. So this will be the inside of this piece. My God, I wasn't expecting it to be so big. Okay. And then we're going to lay out our second piece. The top is my fave. As you guys know, I love pink. So excited. So just gonna lay this out on top of each other, like so. Slide this down. And put all the stuff I don't need. Make sure these pieces are connected. together. Oh my gosh, I wasn't expecting it so big. It's like bigger than the table. Okay, I have these edges all together. Let's make sure everything is together as stated. So on the picture, it looks like they cut the actual donut shape, but we're not going to do that. We're going to keep our fabric the way it is, and we're just going to cut into the pieces. Or do we have to? I'm going to see. Let's get everything together. So everything is lined up, you guys. So okay guys, so as I was saying off the fabric, I kind of understood what they meant by border. So this pink, light pink that you guys see around the edges is the border, as well as this pink on the other side is the border. So what I'm going to do is cut out that circle, and the pink that I just showed you guys is what we're going to actually be cutting into to be making the fringes for the blanket. Being that I'm not able to align both pieces up perfectly and it's like really killing me, I'm going to go ahead and separate the blanket and cut out the pieces separately, and then come back and layer both pieces back together. So I'm going to go ahead and do that in a little time lapse for you guys, so you guys can see me cut that, and I'm going to come back when everything is all cut out so we can get started cutting these fringes out. Okay, so let's go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, I don't know why I keep off myself. So as you guys can see, I just went ahead and cut out both layers of the fleece fabric. So what I'm going to do now is lay the bottom edge back down. So I'm thinking right with the little fuzzy part be, yeah. So the fuzzy part will be the nice side, and then the top. So think if I'm able to just get these two lined up instead of okay, so let me go figure this out, and then I'll come back once it's all together and we're ready to cut. Let me go do that and come back. Okay guys, so I figured it out. So I did a little research. I went on YouTube, and I'm going to do like the braided method. So besides being uneven, it's really not going to affect me. So being that this is a circle, I think the braided method would look presentable. Why my tape look like it's leaning? Okay, there we go. I don't know, I'm gonna fix my angle. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna cut little fringes about 1 inch apart all around the donut. And once I continue that, I'm gonna go do a little time lapse, and I'm just gonna come back and then I'm gonna show you guys the next step. Okay guys, so as you can see, I just went ahead and cut all of the fringe. So this way you can see. So I just cut all of this fringe around the thing. It took longer than I expected. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and fold these pieces right to where the cut stops. I'm going to go ahead and take my scissor and snip a little hole. And then I'm going to do that to all the pieces that I just cut all the fringe out of. And then once I once I finish all of that, I'll come back and show you guys the next step on how we're going to sit here and attach all of these fringe pieces together to create our blanket. So let's go ahead and snip, 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 and then I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually cut and attach the blanket together as I'm doing that. So as you can see, I was trying to figure out if I was really gonna stay and cut all these pieces and then try to do it. So I'm thinking like, hey, why don't you just go in the opposite direction and cut and attach the pieces as you go, and hopefully it will be a smart idea and you can get it done faster instead of cutting everything singly and then trying to attach it. So basically what I'm doing is cutting 2 slits. I'm taking my left fringe and I'm pulling it through my right fringe. So my left fringe is connecting and creating a new hole. Now I'm just going to go all around of the donut until we're finished. I'm not sure if that makes any sense. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So let me go ahead and get started on that, and then I'll come back and let you guys know how that went and see how the blanket comes out. I was gonna say jacket, but we're making a blanket. Yeah, here we go. Okay guys, so as you can see, I just finished attaching all of my fringes together, and this is what it looks like. It's like a little braid effect. So here is the blanket all together. So you guys have it, the pop no-sew blanket. I actually kind of like this. What I wanted to do was, when I first saw it, was just cut a hole right in the middle, pop it right over my head, and make a poncho. But I was like, no, we're gonna do this blanket. I really don't want to use it because it looks so nice and soft, but I'm gonna use it anyway. It says you can wash it, so that's always good. But as always, we always wait to the end to do this. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and that notification bell to get notified when I be posting my videos and stuff, like, so you don't have to wait and just pop on YouTube and be like, oh my god, she posted a video. You get notified, like how they do on Facebook or Instagram. Send you a notification that I did something. But make sure you do all that. Welcome to the family. Welcome back. We'll go back to the channel with all that. Okay, I'm always trying to find. But let me go ahead and get out of here, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.